Si number 8, pinalitan ni number 24.
Yeah.
Vicinity again. Dane Davis giving them another crack at it. Aguirre. Hintis ulit sa 3. There a minute to go here in the first half. KG slowing things down. Takes the handoff. Now tries to post up Aguirre. Steal ulit. Agilas. Aguirre against Jacob. Jacob eating an elbow. Ouch. Pero takbo pa rin sila dito. As Boy Abdul scores. Finally, stopping things. Technical foul is called against Daniel Aguirre for swinging an elbow.
Technical. Kung tumama yun, baka DQ. Disqualifying foul.
Let's see what they will do here on this last possession. Oh, this is an opportunity. Saddam! Why did Saddam pass that? There was still a lot of time left on the clock.
The sandman. Traveling.
15-point lead. Jacob for 3. No! KG wala pa din. Canyaleta rolls it in. Parang George Gervin yung nangyari. 76-59. Jacob. Usual. Ryan for 3. It's good. 4.5 to go here in the fourth. Canyaleta. Jacob attacks. Kicks it out. KG for 3. Ahas, bagong pasok. Pupukol ng 3. Way off the mark. Galicia with a spin board. 9th board and 16 point for JG.
Solid addition to the Pilipinas Navy Aguilas.
Closer ulit. Malakas lang. Jacob. Mid-range jumper. Again, too strong. 81-66. 15-point lead. Jacob. Inside. Turns the ball over.
Coach Boy still asking for a foul.
But the Aguilas, behind that huge second quarter, ended up with the lead 39-38 after 2 quarters. But Binyan, strong start in the third as Jacob scores in transition.
So it's a thing now. When you run the floor, you get rewarded, and that's what happened. That's great finish.
It's decent shape.
Yeah, and nakita ko naman sa videos niya, he posts it online. He goes to True Focus, dun siya nagsiskills work, and he's in practice every day. So he works for it. Hindi naman to tsamba, at siya nakakashoot, at siya nakakalaro. Hindi siya basta-basta ipapasok ni Coach Boy Fernandez kung hindi siya nagtitiwala na Jonah Jacob can stay on the floor.
Yung mga details, mga juicy details. But boy, eto si Jacob who's now having the ball, taking that 3.
Heat check.
But yun,
Siyang kahit ano dito, ayaw niya mapahiya. So he's put himself in a position to be successful.
Jacob, another attempt at the 3-pointer. Doesn't get the friendly bounce. Gimpayan means that one thing compared to the 2 previous ones. Coach Mark asked. Jacob continues to fire from deep. Gimpayan.
And going back to your point, Ken, it's obvious that they prepared well.
Sorry to cut you off, Coach Mark.
That's okay. That's okay.
Career high.
Career high.
Kobe ng Pinas. Navy Aguilas as we see Jonah Jacob score his 4th point, the career high for him. As we see that play of the game, courtesy